Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about trading boom and crash with confidence and knowing when to exit the trade. So, every trader should have losses and wins, but your losses should not be more than your wins. You know how to avoid being on the losing side. Please, if you have $50, you should be able to increase it to $100 in a day, even though you have one or two losses. So that is just one thing I want to point out. Then one thing I want to point out is even though you have a strategy or you have a good analysis about the boom and crash movement, there is always going to be support and resistance. So your support will always be there to bounce up a trade, and your resistance will always be there to bounce it down. So looking at this trade, right, let me take it to one I took earlier on. I was explaining to somebody about this trade earlier today. Let it load. Network is disturbing me. Let me move it. Let me put it back. So you see how it is. Okay, this is it here. It's going down now. So look at this trade. Let's take it away from there. Bring it to this point. I see this point here. If I was to trade with my analysis, I would have traded there because I think I followed this one. If you look at it, when I always take my trade whenever these two moving averages touch yourself and it's coming down, thought itself wanted to come down and it went up. Then it continued going up because it was on an uptrend going to the upside. Then it was trying to come down, but it couldn't break all the support. He tried to break it, and then we got to this point. This trade is moving, it has passed this place. The network is also moving. Then it got to this point. Then this was when it broke this point here. But before then I took the trade because I knew fully well that it was going to go down. Because when this moving average crossed and this other moving average crossed. So I entered my trade and then it's going down. So I put this red line here for take profit, but I left it alone because I knew it was going to go down for a while. Until you get to this point here, so this is the point where just take it out immediately. So let me go to the 1000 and explain further to you. So this is on 1000 here. We're waiting for a trade to occur here. A massive trade to occur. As you can see, this one occurred here. If you have entered this one here, you have taken like 1 to 3 candles on 5 minutes, and now almost that is a lot of money before it spikes and then it still came down again. So this point here, if you look at it, I put my red line there. It's a very, very strong support. As you can see, it's a strong support. So as it breaks this point here, it breaks it and go down. As it breaks it, we are going to enter a trade for a sell. I'll take our profit around here. Even though any spikes occur here, we're still going to come down, take a profit around here before you get to the point here. So that is just it about forex trading, boom and crash basically. So you have to know what you're doing. Even though you want to stay in the market for a long time, your account should be big enough to handle losses. Because sometimes losses might come, but it will still flip over on it. So, and then if you are seeing that your losses is getting to a point whereby we are afraid of the trade, you can close it and wait for another good entry, enter and recover all your losses. So there's nothing like 100% win rate, and there's no strategy that's 100% perfect, or analysis that's 100% perfect. Forex can flip up on you. You can do anything to any best trader anytime. So you have to be consistent. You have to be passive. This is this is something that if you don't have heart you cannot do. So that's it guys, this is just basically everything I wanted to explain today. Continue talking about it. So this is one of the major ways to make money via forex. The class I want to attend this night, one of my mentors want to mentor me. It's a group class, so anything I get from the class I also talk about it on my channel, so they're expecting I want to